Do you know why you are not getting what you want in life? The first thing is you really don't know what you want in life. Most of us are living a life जो एक मेयर एक्सीडेंट है. लाइफ में कोई भी सिचुएशंस आती है, हम उसमें बह जाते हैं. कोई भी तरह की सिचुएशंस को हम अपनी लाइफ बना लेते हैं. अगर हम एक इंटेंशनल लाइफ जिए rather than an accidental life, then your life would have a sense of direction. आपको पता होगा कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हो क्योंकि आप उसे क्रिएट कर रहे हो. आप उस इंटेंशन से अपनी लाइफ को स्पेंड कर रहे हो. लेकिन अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है, यू आर जस्ट वॉन्डरिंग थ्रू लाइफ विदाउट एनी ड्राइविंग फोर्स और अ सेंस ऑफ डायरेक्शन, you'll always be lost and you'll never arrive to that destination which you want because you never asked, you never set an intention to it. So if you really want, you should know what you want. Ask yourself this question: what do you really want? It's like we are living a life where we go to the school, where we go to the college, get a degree and get a job, and then it's all set. And then after doing it, we still feel that we don't want this. You know why? Because you never asked that question, that is that what you wanted to do in life? Or is it like the societal or the peer pressure or the parental pressure which forced you to be in this kind of system which does not define you, which does not gives a meaning to your own life? So live a life which is an intentional life rather than an accidental life. The next step is, if you have set an intention, make a plan how you want to lead your life. When you have made a plan, follow it. अगर प्लान बना लोगे लेकिन वो प्लान पे फॉलो अप नहीं लोगे, वो प्लान को फॉलो नहीं करोगे, वो प्लान को एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करोगे, then it's just a blank paper. It will not get you where you want to be. So after setting an intention, you make up a plan, and when you make that plan, put every detail to it, what you want in life. Write down all the top 100 things which you want to do in life, whether it is related to traveling, whether it is related to your job, work, skills, everything. Compartmentalize. So setting an intention, making up a plan, compartmentalizing those into categories, and then you create actionables around that categories. Then if you want to travel to XYZ places, how much money would you need? And then it will be correlated to other categories. If you want to travel, you need to have this much amount of money, and this much amount of money will be earned through what skills, what set of skills I need to acquire so that I can earn that money easily, and what skills will get me what kind of job. So this is like interrelated departments or the categories. When you got the clarity what you want, what you need to do to get what you want, and how you will do it. What you want, what skills you need to get what you want, and then where will you get this? It's like a job or your entrepreneurial skills or whatever. This is not life. जिस तरह से आप जी रहे हो वो लाइफ नहीं है, जिसका कोई पर्पस नहीं है, जिसका कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं है, जिसकी कोई इंटेंशन नहीं है. ये लाइफ जब एक मोमेंट आएगा ना, उसके बाद आपको रियलाइज होगा कि यार whatever I'm doing, it is not giving me any kind of happiness or any kind of fulfillment. I'm not gonna feel content at any stage of my life. There is no happiness. I'm just rushing all the time in my life, and I arrived nowhere. Set an intention. You make up a plan, and then when you make up the plan, you create actionables around different categories. And when you've done all of these 3 steps, you move to the final step, is to review everything, or you can add more things to it. When you've accomplished certain goals, it's like a infinite list. When you achieve those lists, put a tick mark. This will be a very amazing reward system. When you reward yourself, when you achieve something, it will drive you more. So this is how we get what we want in life, or else you're gonna be lost. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share करो उन लोगों से जिनको ये information कहीं ना कहीं help कर सकती है. Thank you.